Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here today at Mongleu Resort, Jalukie. This is where we enter from, and it's all like bagan, and I think so there's new construction going on, and these are my friends going along. I'm here like this, videos from friends, and this is the surrounding. I don't know, there's a river. Ra lành chưa nào có đây mà. Hả? You guys can see the road. It's like this. And we're going here. Hello guys. We're still going. Hey everyone, turn back. We're still going inside. This is my friend I met from here. I don't know what happened to her. Nah, mày vô tao mà mày nấp lòng cho mày. Malik kia nó coi ra. Long over campus this also. He's the king here, and his campus is so big. This is Mongleu River, I think so. Oh, I can see the park now. There it is. So cả bên đây mình ha. The sun is hitting at us. This is my one friend I met unexpectedly from there. Food vendor. The food vendor. He was selling food at his own place. He just finished his Jubilee celebration back home. He's the initiator. Mà không dễ nước lúa này ra. Mình phải kỹ rồi mới tập rồi. Interesting lắm đó. Hello xong rồi. Anh nói cụ thể mà. Go. I don't know what is his name. Charge lumit mà ra. Okay. How much they charge? 1%. 20 rupees. Okay. It's okay. These are the mountain tops. This is the river bank. I don't know whether you guys can see it. I can see it clearly though. It's a river bank. And there's one flower tree. Let me zoom it for you guys. Can you see it? Okay. This is Mongleu Valley, and I'm running. Almost. I think they're trying to make something new here. Some kind of tent house. Wow! And these two, they're vlogging. Whoa, it's so pleasant. And I'm also enjoying having fun, walking around after a long time. Anh em thích mà. Ai vậy? I heard this is the entry. Uh, the water is dirty, but the wind is quite fresh here. I'm getting the billiest wind. Hello guys, I'm here at Mongleu Resort. You're videoing, right? We're here. We haven't entered. We're at the entrance. Yep. I have a river. Lake. This is ocean or what? Nagaland ocean.
Floating lake.
Look like that. This is a small bridge. This is the deepest one.
I like
I'm Mongleu you kill ba ko le Hey, Mongleu you kill ba?
Mongleu Resort
lake layer.
You kya ma hai? There's some flower. Flower. Seriously? We have crossed the bridge. Where now? I don't know the entry. We're supposed to pay 20 rupees, but
Udah sih. Adam teh di bu. Adam teh. Nah itu loh bu.
chalo bhai. Kang kinman asile?
Cash card.
Exam ke 20 na. This boy is the collector. Tax collector.
Tax collector पे गुन्या का मका का 80 rupees.
We're now
Kapoy popa zoom cai.
here, and I can see some people here taking picture. Some girls. I don't know. We just enter. We're going to have fun. I have been seeing this place from video here and there. Oh, this someone click video. I don't know. This is the highway. We're going to upload this and that. Okay. We have rates. The spot. Wrong as a man holder. Okay, it's your first time. Okay. This is a new blogger. What is your name? You said? Mezi name. Okay. They're taking picture from the video. We're going inside, wondering what is inside here. These are the mountains. Sky. Ngồi xong nó lại bám hai nào bám bể lâu. Cả tiếng chết chi bể lại, hay gì nè bám xong tôi lại. Rồi mà là mà bụi bể mà. Anh cái Jalukie Mongleu Resort em cái visit luôn á. Chúng ta bụi lại. Relaxation năng nghiệp tốt sắc, tầm đây tiếng chơi lại view ý. Giờ kí cái view lại làm ấy. Bây giờ lake đi về ngoài. Có point xong là đó. And những sama có tiêu ra ngô mi asa bong ko bong la I thought this is available in my village also, but it's something different. Not same la mai sing bombang wala ha We're already tired. We're resting for some time.
Resting for some time.
Some time.
นี่ใน
And
จ้อง
we're going
งอ
to
มา
work
ดิ
again.
ใครๆเอาโปวิดีโอเต้นนี่ก็เราอันนี้
Wow. I don't know. Thế mà này,
ได้เลี้ยงแล้วไงคุณวิดีโอ
mình lấy cái đâu lên reels. Nó mà này là ngay chỗ nó ngồi đây.
นี่เตะหัวมากจ้ะหมดดีเป็นไงมันมากันดีน้อยมามันจะเด่น
Look at the sky above my head.
บ่อยเอ้ยได้คำนี้แบบเดียวมัน
We're heading back to another hut. We have seated here enough. The long president lady, ma. The long president already tired. Late, but Chris, bro.
Very late man. Yeah, tụi nó ngon mà nè.
Swing bị trông nó lên gọi là president là cũng bị trông quay xỉn vào đây rồi. Anh em phải lá là có mà. Okay.
Còn cái chơi vậy kìa.
Ui, giờ bé lại chỉ lại swing nữa.
Ở tại vì là bé.
Surrounding sharing sao?
Cái này cái rồi.
Nó bé này bỏ chuyện nó kẹp photo cặp kìa. Ngồi xong nó là rồi.
Có lên rồi. Cái nó chặt tầm nó phát tầm nữa.
Hello guys, we have moved back to another tent that is meant for people to sit and relax. And now this is the way we're going. This is another new bridge we're undertaking. Yeah, there is a bridge. This is not a bridge, okay? There's the bridge. All right, Lorray. I'm gonna get. Go get. This bridge. What a nature to relax. I'm already tired. However. Entry lùa ra có phải tên mình đến cơ. Ui video này bridge sắm lên xem bridge mẹ. Cơ một tuần thì bắt đầu nó chi quá. This is the second bridge cái lên là. Hey, both of you. Hero and heroine. This what is it? This pond has some fish, I believe. Looks like there will be fish, but these ponds are hopeless, man.
Ai là bom cùng
This one also I think so. Not very hopeless, but they were the hopeless only.
Cái là bom nữa đâu mà có cái lý do.
Rest house, we have reached. So we're going to take rest for some time. We don't have any drinks, but there's drink table. Then get cold drink also.
Lên mà có được con.
Lên mà có lên mà nó còn nơi cái lo. I'm just going to take you all inside for some time. This is the paddy field where we cultivate. And there's one more tent house. They are taking rest, so I'm just going through. This is the most useful room in the whole wide world, where we sit and relax, think about the next and what's tomorrow. This is the park. And they are there in that hut. I just wanted to visit here, so I just came inside. We have reached another spot. We're going to get inside. Oh, I just want to show you all around. This is the hut that we're going to go in. Let me take you inside. Wow! This is how it looks like. This is the inside. And this is the entrance to the waterhole. A house built in the water is called waterhole. I don't know, okay? The simple term where everyone can understand. Wow. I think someone is sleeping there. I see some clothes there, see like this. But this is one hole. And this is another hole, let me check. Ah, interesting. I don't know what hole is this, but they have made it purposely. Wow, it's shaky. A bit scary as well. Đuổi kia tao mang xong đây. Đuổi cho lên bóng mới đây nè. Xem đi tao.
Đuổi kia lên non mà nó rìm nằm mua nữa.
Nice. We're taking rest now. We're resting.
We are resting for the rest sake.
For the sake of the rest, we're resting. Pupumi.
Nó một con nèo và ai của ta kia nèo vào mà.
Wrong nice lente do. Puki. She is here. She is from here. She is also here, and she is also from here.
Tôi chỉ muốn là nên là cái lúa một cái đó.
Yeah.
Tôi đã xin hết những phía chứ cao lắm mẹ, bỏ tới lên con rắn này lắm mà history cái này ra. Nó bỏ mình đi cái đây lên cái lấy ta lên sụp phải rồi mình này.
Okay. Rằng mẹ na đuổi cái tập cho tới cái là
Hello.
Take rest. Hai lấy sang đây tí sang hai tí cái này.
tính cái ông xem nào. Titan, Mr. Titan. Poki ka pedola ka suy ha.
Mình nhà đó nói chơi đâu biết.
There's no possibility to cross and climb this one because there's no hole there. Guys, we're all done and we're going back now. We have enjoyed all the view and I hope you guys enjoy too. And once I reach home, I will capture whatever video I can cover, whatever places I can go. I will do that and upload it for all of you to see. So for today, after exiting from this park, the video will be done. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and thank you for always supporting, and thank you for subscribing. Coi
Nói gì đấy.
Battery kau je.
Swang ni bagi.
Last. Wow. Chalo. They're trying to do something interesting. Done.
Wow, sunset was so good.